Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh to Puan Salila. Now our group will present a presentation on chapter 2, which is differentiation. Before that, let me introduce the members of this group. Okay, first, my name is Muhammad Iqmal Danish bin Kamal. My metric number is 01DKA21F1006. Second, Muhammad Faiz bin Hafiz Harafat. His metric number is 01DKA21F1007. Next, Muhammad Adik Fahmi bin Jaafar. Metric number is 01DKA21F1002.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Muhammad Adik Fahmi bin Jaafar. My metric number is 01DKA21F1001. I want to present team roles and responsibilities. Between the role and responsibilities of each member of our group is the first, introduction of group members and introduction of differentiation, and question A and B are the responsibilities of Iqmal. The next, example of application of differentiation of real life and summary, and question C and D are the responsibilities of Faiz. Lastly, team roles and responsibilities, and question E and F are my responsibilities. Thank you.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Now let me talk about introduction of differentiation. Differentiation used widely in solving problems, especially in engineering, medical, commerce, agriculture, and many other fields. When you find the rate of change of a quantity with respect to another quantity, you are actually doing differentiation. Another name for differentiation is derivative of the function. The symbol of differentiation is dy over ds. For the example, if y is a function of x, then y equal fs. For the differentiation of y, with respect to x, we get, for differentiation of y with respect to x, then dy ds Apaan? For the example, if y is function of x, then y equal by fx. For differentiation of y with respect to x can be written as dy over ds or f prime multiplied by s. Actually, dy over ds is same by f prime multiplied by s. Differentiation concept are applied in displacement and velocity. For the example, velocity, the symbol is v, is the differentiation of displacement, the symbol is s, unto time, the symbol is t, and is written as ds over dt. The next example is wheels, acceleration, the symbol is a, is the differentiation of velocity, the symbol is v, unto time, the symbol is t, and is written as dv over dt. What is differentiation? Based on the slide, the gradient of the tangential red line is equal to the differential of the function at the marked point. In calculus, differentiation or derivative is a measure of the change in the function y equal f multiplied by x. in relation to the change of the independent variables. The difference itself is defined by an expression in the form
Hello and Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Faiz bin Hafiz Arafat. My matrix number is 01DKA21F1007. Today I will tell about the example of application of differentiation that we apply in real life. Differentiation calculus can be applied to many situations in real life where it is necessary to maximize or minimize function. Example, a farmer wishes to fence off a rectangular sheet pen and use all of 100 meter fencing, and adjoining hedge is to be used as one side of pen.
For question A, it asks to use differentiation to find expression for dy over dx. First of all, we must derive the equation of y. We got y equal 3x cubed plus 2x square minus 5x plus 7. The next step is we must do the differentiation. The symbol is dy over dx. Firstly, the power of 3 must be multiplied by 3 and the power of 3 subtracted by 1, and we got 9x square. Second, the power of 2 multiplied by 2 and the power of 2 subtracted by 1, and we got 4x. Next, negative 5x. The power of 1 is multiplied by negative 5 and the power of 1 subtracted by 1, and we got negative 5 only. For the differentiation of 7, we got 0. Question B, find the coordinate of any stationary points on the curve. Firstly, we must derive the equation of y. Y equal 3x cubed plus 2x square minus 5x plus 7. Second step, we change the equation of y to dy dx and we use differentiation, and we got 9x square plus 4x minus 5. Third step is we must be factorization the equation of dy over dx. On this step, we can get value of x. After calculate, I got first x is 5 over 9 and second x is negative 1. Now we get value of x, but we want to find the value of y to get the stationary point. So the solve on this problem is firstly substituting the value of x in the equation of y. After calculate, I got two value of y. First, I got 1301 over 243. Second y is 11. Lastly, we can get a stationary point. First stationary point is 5 over 9, 1301 over 243. Second stationary point is negative 1 and 11.
How many stationary points does the graph have? The answer is 2 stationary points. Question D. Determine the y-intercept point, where the coordination is 0 and y. And the equation is y equals to 3x squared plus 2 squared minus 5x plus 7. Then replace the x with 0. The equation will be y equals to 3 0 square plus 2 0 square minus 5 0 plus 7, and you will get the answer for y will be 7. Thank you.
The question of E is determine the nature of any stationary point you found in part C, justifying your answer. The answer is dy over dx equal 9x squared plus 4x minus 5. And then d2y over dx2 equal 18x plus 4. And the answer is x equal 5 over 9 and x equal negative 1. For the x equal 5 over 9 is d2y over dx2 equal 18x plus 4. And then 18 multiply 5 over 4 plus 4. And the answer is 14. 14 is the minimum point. And for the x equal negative 1 is d2y over dx2 equal 18x plus 4, and then 18 multiply negative 1 plus 4, and the answer is negative 14. Negative 14 is the maximum point. Question for the F. Sketch the graph of the curve. The coordinate of the x is negative 1 and 0 and 5 over 9. And the coordinate of the y is 11 and 7 and 1301 over 243. And this is the graph for our question. Thank you from me.
The conclusion is differentiation is a method of finding the derivative of a function. Differentiation is a process in mathematics where we find the instantaneous rate of change in function based on one of its variables.